Yeah, thanks to Tango. This and the Yeah, let's good morning from Bomdila. Ani Tango was going to see the Tubus, that I meet up on ye, so many tops on to see. Ani that I to the Saturday Halaso circuit. Circuit house, the Shungas to race and to see. To Roman Distro, yeah, the Mangasu Itanagar to the red. And Tango has to write the conditions.
Nursing is right. Love what someone told they cannot put. Little bus no longer turtle no longer move on.
Little tunnel no is chilo level.
She loves it working to
only lay Chakwa and the Tiggle.
Child of this.
I do see that we see that. Mamma does my this time we see a message. The chilo got you this genre. Yeah, let's a chilo. This was to chilo beyond the Mazu as a tower has a part. Bomdila and I was the Josro and the shop was Nimagala Dej breakfast leching Nimacha breakfast and the give us in the do a breakfast is this is go to my short Itanagar. Yeah, welcome to Bomdila members any other someone any never seen how to see let's go to see that.
Yeah, let's go. I just something of the sunny shoe, the people, someone or something, not the decision. The thing of the Mangaba thing of the go to it. They do kiss out the Bomdila, their job. I think of the Bomdila and 20 and Nazui is such a joy, the destination be, I think of the Dire, Itanagar. The Langa Kimala, and now Tibetan Sunny should choose chicks in Langa chicken of the chicken. Chicks and the name in Yogun Shella, the TV lang around so have a pool near Luxury in the day you meet as to like each other. Then you wish I said that another so much even to the Nova, not the Segatilla, Parchery, and another Itanagar. Well, the Villa Sunday Shulure and the Mount on the Ye, Kisang to any so much each and every now. Which are the Kisang for the Teddy Sunday Shumana. Thank you to and Shella the economy of the breakfast solo, that's an economy to shake of them. Oh, yeah, to shake. So to shake. Thank you, that's all to shake. To shake. To shake. Special. You never pet the yam.
Some of them are tender, and that she's go simple though. Come on, Casisto. Why, sure. Chura the show.去知道，等这个什么先歇歇。 맞아. 그들랑 아주 쉬는 기도로 댄지강기 상화 댄지강 상화들아 아시더라 맞아 하야 호텔 아마 됐지
아니 내 가다 박발 담고 하는데
야, 저 바이거스 상호도시니 한데 호를 아마는 있어. 도시니 잡으시 올라서 좋지. 제가 이제 다 쉬는 속바다니. 예스. 한 도시니 된다 된지가 기다라. 퍼블릭 퍼블릭 데보도 좀 들려요. 한 된지가 기다라. 금이서 봐. 된지가기 금이서 봐 상황 도시 캐셔. 제가 도시체 정말 도시 된다. 아니 파베레스라 터널니 마 파베레스라 아니 마 차와 디스 마 차지스 체투레스다 타오라 탄단데 차징이 루치스도 군수 가사 타옹알다 에 탕무디야 타타다 디니아토 리치사로 리 터널 치르 디니마 밥스바 아니 차와사 두스라 디스 라소 아니 타 자게 노로기 이너타 스웨터 디송 피에트즈레 둘레 아야 마디 마다도 디니아드 터널 디라 제 다와 페징아 스톡스 두기나 할 두스라 소탄으로 야
바바 고르기 저리 니망가와 샤디요 이제 저리 가서 니망가와 나 bomdila 트위즈네 근데 내일 나가다 가서 산에 주는 소부 의미기 근데 좀 산에 분명히 소부 수바 의미기 대산에 분명히 근데 나봐 그래서 내내 나가 배우래 뒤에 내내 나가 배우들라 얘 가서 바바 다니 상마 다음에 신경 신경도 주고 오는데 아무도 뜻이래도 그시에 하나도 바 주민연소기 바바 보여주기래는디 가산 진짜 축지기 세니 생이 인간들라 하나도 니주나를 세줘베이나 나라저기 벼다 야간이 산산 뭔가 다는데 나도 내린 고투 진짜 문제는 내가 제자 쉬에 근데 내가 쉬에做的 가지가지 진짜 문제는 듣다보다 개별 나오는데 주시에 쉬에지다 아니 못 되는 가서 배전 탑주 하고 내 산에 찾으면 산에 미만 제도 또 듣다보다 잘에 야구나에 공시 신문 나온 거는 못 되는 나오는 시 쉬에 줘 이제 생각이 좀 차지 그 바바 고주디 나머지는 다 없으니까 이제 내린 진짜 주직 세뉴 생이 가서 고소 버려 제가 이게요 나들 집에 나들 니슈를 망아 나들 장착 나들 일단 내니 제가 집이 프로조 카나다가 떠문다더니 시에지는 차사치 타마 주트에디 안에 삼로도 디는 거 주트에기 삼로 비엔디 나와니 링이 베든 탑주의 데베기 지자기 레고 킬로미터 집에 메네 킬로미터 돈도 추용할래 망어래 된 다시 예 쉬버네시 나도 미춥시디 그리 춥시디 그럼 제가 돼 바바 수년 집에는 미추용한테 나도 그것에 드링크 부서 지지 다른 게 레고디 미유요 니도 주시 근데 드링어스 데이터 근데 모두 나오는 슈디 이어바다디 간제 레고디가 차 투에라 차시지디 너무 상으로 차지 좋아라 이 좀 너무 좋더니 게 잡죠 나지네 간제 가상이 잡죠 나버데 트렌드 챙아 지지 추주직 하데 너무서 페이지 봐 이제 나지 페버디 나도 이번에 가보시라 줘 근데 너무 좋들 나오디 주시에서 슈 알았어 상업해놨대 가서 슈누기 텐즈다 슈누기 총이 가만 보고 계셔 빨로살라
야라 소니 딘지칸기 페미 소바타 아니 신우 소바 아니 미마 상말람데 아니 터지치라라 Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Mas ini hang saya sudah, ini langgar apa yang buat ni muda off road ni senang ni jo, langgar tu apa buat? Hang saya dulu lagi bincang dikit. The beauty. Ang khani le rawa dili da dili abai digi gablu di gablu le da ri ko khazu use da gablu chi chunga ji lo ka uri khare titu cow flavor rosto nimbo do sebe da sangmo do oh my god.
Thank you. Oh, no, thank you. I need the PYC Thank you. 카페쇼.
Lasso, Sushina. Achala inang dirishiro. Achala paper tu. Amla paper sha. Yeah, lasso. 26 Celsius rishiro. Just the t-shirt. Oh. Ale diga design store del mai store baju logachi Singapore baju store 어디 가지 고드리시 ये मेरे प्यू नंगा लीरो या था आज तेज पुलिस था अरे मीडिया वाला हाँ तेज पुलिस में Samba! Rigoro 문제다 술라간다 리간서 나왔다. 다다배 당디 홍구다. 당디 있어라. La soda. Oh.
Kamala, yang dog deh. Legend Manali deh.
다시 들래.
좀 줘야 돼. 가고 싶어. 이리 가서 먹어 다니는 상에 설지네. 주시셔도 다시 내실 주의.
Like it's just like 5 days back was the anniversary. So this is in the run. So like our members are we don't have any like Tibetan members, but we have been 10 Arunachel tribal members are there. Like we have members from different tribes like Galo, Rishi, Apatani, Monpa, like even from Mechuka. So they feel like we're quite involved with this thing. We have observed March 10, then we had a film screening over there in Gonpa where like we gathered more than 200 crowds. We showed like the Great Escape movie and the things in the Gonpa which religious things are involved, like we usually take part on that. And this like from since this June, like we couldn't be much active, like because exams are there. So and all our members are students. Like we don't have any like those who are in job or like that. We have PhD scholars and students and yeah. They feel like and we have sent our teams like this time in SFT camp thing. I think two members are there, Yalgo and Ringyu. That way, like we came to know that like Tibetan Youth Congress, they're organizing a rally that is starting from Bomdila. So Ringu was the one telling me that they are coming. So what about as a reception for them? So that way, like I got to know that this is how we got to it here. And I even met General Secretary Sain Sonam there in this one, Dharamshala. We had an ITM meeting. There we met. Then different organizations we met. So like it's very empowering and enriching for us. Like and all our members are dedicated to help the in Tibet movement in what way is possible. Like even in terms of like conferences or some issues like research paper. So that way, like we want to engage. So if there's anything like from your side you want our help, like on SFT Itanagar, please contact us. So we are ready for that. He is the in charge of finance, SFT Itanagar. And there we have Gyalpo Ashank, the PhD scholar in management department in Arunachel. Then Iton, Wansumu, Lamtashi, Ringyu, Pasang, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So he's our joint secretary, Sri Chumbal. Yeah. And we have a Tibetanvlogger here. Tibetanvlogger is our media officer. So he worked in the SFT sector for a very long time. He was one of the climbing instructors.
I met in the cafe, right?
I used to be like climb
And we have this captain. Okay. Sevang Gyalpo, he is the executive member of RTY in Allen. And he leads all the bikers. He is the captain here.
Okay.
And then Narpa, he's from Dehradun.
Okay.
He is the representative of RTYC Tikili. And the next, he's Kalge, look like star. He is from Nasa. He is from RTYC Le.
Oh.
So next, Dawana is also from Tikili, Dehradun.
Okay.
Next, a regent biker known as, and he is from Manali. And the next, Kama, he is from Sikkim, Rawanga. Next, Dawana, he is from Gangtok, Sikkim. And then Chotre Namje, and he is also from Gangtok. And the next, Chokamala, he is also from Gangtok. And then Bomdila, he is from Pradesh. And then Chotarji. He's from Dharamshala. Yeah, everyone done?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, we have the youngest. And he is the mechanic.
He is a technical supporter. It's impressive, yeah. And all these bike participants. So we want to thank our SFT, each other executive members and bodies who welcome us. It's very encouraged. So it's overwhelmed us with your welcoming gesture with the carpet. So your active contribution for the cause means a lot to us. So this campaign is organized by Tibetan Youth Congress. As you mentioned, we started it on the 22nd of November from Bomdila. So that we have a very kind of specific intention for choosing the Bomdila. Bomdila is a border between Tibet and India. So from there, Bomdila, we started this bicycle campaign. So we'll be having this campaign for upcoming next 2 months. So for next 2 months, we will be traveling to more than 20 Indian states. We will be covering more than 15,000 kilometers. So the aims and objective, the prime purpose of organizing this campaign, first one is to be one to urge Indian government and international community to pressurize Chinese government to stop the cultural genocide inside Tibet. So we, as a family of the Tibetan freedom movement, we are well aware of the ongoing cultural genocide inside Tibet. So the culture, in the cultural genocide, the Chinese government is introducing the colonial borders code. So the issue, which is a very boiling issue, and we all are very much concerned. So we want to urge international community and Indian government to pressurize Chinese government to stop cultural genocide in Tibet is our first objective. Second one, while traveling to more than 20 Indian states, we want to extend our gratitude. We want to say thank you to the people and government of India for the solidarity and support that we received for last more than 6 decades. So meanwhile, we also want to urge Indian leadership, especially the Indian lawmakers, Indian parliamentarians, to have a resolution which in support of saying that Tibet was an independent nation and it was illegally occupied by so-called People's Republic of China. So this is our second demand. And third one is about the Tibet environment. As we all well aware that Tibet is known to be the third pole of the world. We are considered to be the roof of the world. So for last 6 decades, China is polluting the Tibetan environment. They are doing the deforestation. They are illegal extracting the minerals from Tibet. They are constructing the numerous dams. They are diverting the major Tibetan rivers. So this is a global concern. So the third issue that we want to highlight or we want to draw the support is regarding the Tibet environment issue. So with these 3 objectives, we are organizing this campaign. So we had a very good initial startup. The campaign started from the Bomdila. And the second day of our campaign, we had a protest gathering at the Tawang. So we were assembled at the Tawang Buddhapa and we head towards the Kalawangbo auditorium. So we have all our bikers were as the participants, and we were overwhelmed and we were very much happy that the Tawang SFT was also participating during the protest campaign. So we had a protest campaign and the public assembled meeting at the Kalawangbo. So next on the third day, we have a special program at the Kenza Mani. I think you must be aware of the Kenza Mani. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys are doing very hard. So what you were saying here? Okay, thank you. I am the media officer.